Loved it. Its camera is amazing and the specs are killer. Super camera and big battery backup, value for money. Camera is awesome in night mode and in 64MP, also good battery backup there, no heat while playing PUBG, no lagging, fingerprint is also good, no issue I have faced till now after purchase and observation on mobile. On the 25th of October it's delivered to me, so happy with this mobile and love, thanks Amazon and me. Using mobile since 2 weeks, battery goes a full day after so heavy use. No heating issue found so far. Advanced camera feature 64MP not understood so much, you cannot read letters after zooming a long distance photo. Ultra wide angle useful. Alexa Kamai wow feature so good, display shows stun. Like camera, 6GB RAM, gaming performance, fast charging, 4K video recording. Dislike battery is okay. Stay 1 day if normal usage. Some bugs are there with Alexa app, may be fixed after updated. Redmi Note 8 Pro specifications: 53-inch Full HD plus 1080p display, MediaTek G9OT octa-core processor, 6GB or 8GB RAM with 64GB or 128GB storage with expandable storage support up to 512GB, 64MP main camera plus 8MP ultra wide plus 2MP macro plus 2MP depth camera plus 20MP camera, 4500 mAh battery with 18W. The automatic resolution is 16MP. The camera produces bright photos with accurate color tones, even at night. The selfies are impressive on this phone, and it creates a nice depth in portrait mode, though it is not all perfect with edges on the hair. Redmi Note 8 Pro review: performance, battery, games like Asphalt 9, Badland, Nova Legacy all ran without any hitches. I switched Asphalt 9 to high graphics settings and the phone had no problems handling it. The graphics looked smooth without any lag. In regular usage, be it just browsing on social media or using the phone to edit photos to keeping 20 tabs open on Chrome, the experience was smooth. The only issue I noticed, the phone also got warm around the top when gaming for too long. On the battery front, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a 4500 mAh battery. The 18W fast charger ensures a full charge in under 2 hours. With moderate usage, you can go up to 2 days on this phone, while heavy-duty usage means around 1.5 days on the device. The Redmi Note 8 Pro runs MIUI 10 based on Android Pie. Xiaomi has said it will get MIUI 11 by the end of December. It does come with Alexa preloaded, though Google Assistant is there as well. Redmi Note 8 Pro review: design, display. The Redmi Note 8 Pro has a curved back design, though this is a broad and bulky device compared to the previous variant. One reason is the bigger battery. Redmi Note 8 Pro also has a bigger display at 6.53 inches with the Full HD Plus resolution. Click link in description for more reviews.